You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is c equals 13 over 14. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Combine like terms. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Add 3 over 5 to both sides. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Find the greatest common factor of the numerator and denominator. Factor out and cancel the greatest common factor. Isolate the c. Divide both sides by 14. Simplify the fraction. And so the final result is c equals 13 over 14.